This is a brief tutorial to guide you through the process of downloading, unblocking, and extracting the Sierra Summit 4.0 software. To begin, navigate to your web browser and visit www.cadwell.com or type Cadwell into your search engine. Once the web page is displayed, locate the blue banner at the top of the page and left-click once on the Cadwell.support link. Once the Cadwell support page is displayed, you will want to left-click once on the login icon located at the top of the screen. Or if you do not have an existing account, you will need to left-click once on Register to create an account. Once you have logged in to the Cadwell Support Site, navigate to Products located in the white banner located near the top of the page and left-click once. A drop-down will appear. Using your mouse, hover over EMG, NCV, EP, ultrasound, and an additional drop-down will appear. Hover over Sierra Summit software and videos and left-click once. Using your mouse, scroll down the page until you see the Sierra software downloads information. Navigate to the Sierra Summit 4.0.482 software tab in orange, and then left-click once and begin the download. Please be sure to download any additional documents you may need for the installation process at this time, such as the 4.0 release notes, the 4.0.482 update instructions, or if this is a new install, be sure to download the Sierra Summit 4.0.482 installation instructions. If you do not have an existing preserve file for your system, now would be a good time to also download the Sierra Summit 4.0.482 factory preserve files as well. Once the download has completed, navigate to the Downloads folder located on your computer and left-click once. Using your mouse, navigate to the newly downloaded Sierra 4.0.482 full media file. You will notice the file is currently zipped. Prior to unzipping this file, there are a few additional steps needed to ensure a smooth installation process. Right-click once on the downloaded file and a window will appear. Using your mouse, navigate to Properties and left-click once. The Sierra 4.0.482 Full Media Zip Properties window will now display. Navigate to Security located at the bottom of the window and left-click once in the Unblock box. This will ensure none of the file's contents will be blocked during the extraction process. Once the box is checked, navigate to Apply and then left-click once. Then using your mouse, navigate to OK and left-click once to exit this window. Using your mouse, navigate back to the newly downloaded Sierra 4.0.482 full media file and right-click once. A window will appear. Using your mouse, navigate to Extract All and left-click once. The Extract Compressed Zipped folders will appear. Using your mouse, navigate to Extract and left-click once. The extraction process will begin. Once the extraction is complete, you will see the newly extracted file will be displayed in your downloads, and you can begin the process of upgrading or installing 4.0.482 on your Sierra Summit system. This concludes our brief tutorial on downloading, unblocking, and extracting the new Sierra Summit 4.0.482 software.